What could go wrong when you're adding components to your motherboard?
Hi, I'm Paul, this is Diane. We are the PC Zombies, and you could buy Windows Pro 11 OEM on Amazon, and you get it for about $50 cheaper than if you go to Microsoft and buy Windows Pro 11 standard. Well, I always got the OEM version. One time I got the OEM version, in fact the last time, was when my memory controller didn't work with my motherboard. I had already installed the SSD and I had already installed Windows 11. I didn't need to, but I did because I could, and then I ran the mem test, and then it had a memory controller problem. I ended up having to send my motherboard back to ASUS. What ended up happening, ASUS totally supported it. They gave me a new one, and then my new one, I couldn't transfer that Windows 11 over because Windows 11 OEM is coded to the motherboard it's installed on. So don't install Windows 11 OEM until you're absolutely sure you're not going to have to return that motherboard. So I just pay the extra 50 bucks now. It gives me a little bit more peace of mind.
Yep.
Please subscribe.
And we love the thumbs ups.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.